What is a bill of materials, or BOM, in manufacturing? If you've ever wondered how products are made, how all those tiny parts come together to create something functional, then you're in for a treat. A BOM is essentially the recipe for manufacturing. Just like a chef needs a list of ingredients to whip up a delicious dish, manufacturers need a BOM to build their products. It's a comprehensive list that outlines every single component, part, and material needed to create a finished product. Think of it as a blueprint. It details everything from raw materials to sub-assemblies, ensuring that the production process runs smoothly and efficiently. Now, why does a BOM matter so much? Well, imagine trying to bake a cake without a recipe. You might end up with a lumpy mess instead of a fluffy masterpiece. In the same way, a BOM helps manufacturers avoid chaos on the production floor. It ensures that everyone involved knows exactly what's needed, how much is required, and when it should be ready. This clarity is crucial for production planning, inventory management, and quality control. Without it, you could end up with missing parts, wasted materials, and delays that frustrate both manufacturers and customers alike. So, how is a BOM structured? There are two main types: single-level and multi-level BOMs. A single-level BOM is straightforward, listing all components required for a product in a flat format. This is great for simple products. On the other hand, a multi-level BOM is more complex, detailing the hierarchy of components and sub-assemblies. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, revealing the intricate relationships between parts. This type is essential for more complicated products, like automobiles or electronics, where multiple sub-assemblies come together to create the final product. Let's break down the main components of a BOM. First, you have part numbers, which are unique identifiers for each component. Think of them as social security numbers for parts. They help track and manage each item throughout the manufacturing process. Next, there's the part description, which gives details about each component, including dimensions and specifications. Then comes the quantity required, indicating how many of each part is needed to complete the product. You also have the unit of measure, which tells you whether you're dealing with pieces, meters, or kilograms. But it doesn't stop there. A BOM also includes supplier information, cost details, lead times, revision numbers, and assembly instructions. Each of these elements plays a vital role in ensuring that the manufacturing process is efficient and cost-effective. For instance, knowing the lead time for each component helps manufacturers plan their production schedules effectively. If a part takes too long to arrive, it could halt the entire production line. Now, let's talk about how BOMs are used in manufacturing. They help with production planning by providing a clear roadmap for what needs to be done and when. This ensures that manufacturers can prepare for production runs and have the necessary resources on hand. They also play a critical role in inventory management, helping manufacturers keep track of what components are in stock and what needs to be ordered. This prevents costly stockouts or excess inventory that ties up capital. Quality control is another area where BOMs shine. By cross-referencing the parts used in production with the BOM, manufacturers can ensure that everything meets the required specifications. This is crucial for maintaining product quality and avoiding costly recalls. Additionally, BOMs facilitate supply chain management by clearly communicating to suppliers what materials and components are needed, allowing them to plan accordingly. But what happens if a BOM is inaccurate or outdated? The consequences can be dire. Production delays can occur if workers are unsure about the components to use. Increased costs can arise from ordering the wrong parts or having to rush orders to meet deadlines. Customer satisfaction can plummet if products don't meet expectations due to inaccuracies in the BOM. In some cases, companies may even face legal issues if products fail to comply with safety regulations. To avoid these pitfalls, manufacturers must adopt best practices for creating and managing BOMs. Standardizing the format and terminology of BOMs can help eliminate confusion. Establishing a clear BOM management process with defined roles and responsibilities is essential for keeping everything organized. Utilizing specialized BOM software can streamline the process, making it easier to track changes and keep the BOM up to date. Regular reviews and updates are also critical. As products evolve, BOMs must reflect those changes to ensure accuracy. Collaboration with suppliers can help manufacturers stay informed about part availability and lead times, which is especially important in today's fast-paced manufacturing environment. Now, let's briefly touch on how a BOM can impact profitability. A well-structured BOM provides accurate cost estimates, helping manufacturers set competitive prices and determine profit margins. It also aids in inventory management, ensuring that manufacturers don't tie up capital in excess stock. Additionally, an accurate BOM improves production efficiency, reducing the time spent on rework and minimizing wasted resources. When quality control is maintained through accurate BOMs, manufacturers can avoid costly defects and returns, further enhancing profitability. In conclusion, a bill of materials is more than just a list. It's the backbone of the manufacturing process. It ensures that everything runs smoothly, from production planning to quality control. By understanding the importance of BOMs and implementing best practices for their management, manufacturers can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and ultimately improve customer satisfaction. So, the next time you marvel at a well-made product, remember the intricate dance of components that came together, all thanks to a well-crafted BOM.